baseball. Balloon.
Asan ang eraser mo? Akan na yung eraser mo.
Eraser. Pikit ka muna yung dad. Ito, yeah.
Ulitin mo yung sulat mo na mag-pass ka na naman. Ulitin mo yung sulat mo.
B. Bottle, baseball.
Ito.
Bottle, baseball, balloon.
Ulitin mo.
Ball,
Ibibigay ko yan kay teacher yung video na ginagawa ko. Titignan ni teacher kung ano ka ba. Kay ipapadoktor ka ba daw.
hindi.
Oo, ayusin mo.
Bottle, baseball, balloon. I should stick it. Say the word.
Ituro mo.
Say the word and the sound of the letter in the box as you taste the letter.
Huwag kang mag-ano ng table. Ayusin mo.
Okay. Yan.
Pass ka na naman.
Ano to? Ano to, ma'am? Ano to, ma'am?
Ayusin mo yung S mo. So.
Su. San. Ayan.
Seal.
Seal.
Ayusin mo. Uli.
Kasi nainig na kamay ko.
Dahan-dahan lang. Sulat.
Yan.
Seal.
Seal. Seal. Yan.
So.
Sen. Seal.
Soups. Soups.
Sus. Search. Yan.
Seal.
Seal.
Basa.
Say the word. Say the sound of the
First,
first letter.
then,
Then lay a sound.
say,
Say the yan. Say sound of the letter.
again,
Again.
Y,
Y, U, K, E. Finally, say it. Full. Wait!
sound.
Sound.
Anong sound na ito?
Sound.
Seal,
Seal. Ayan.
su,
Su. Su.
let,
Sound.
seal,
Sound. Seal.
sul,
Sul.
su,
Su. 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 Sen.
seal,
Sen. Sen. Sul.
seal,
Sen. Seal. Sul.
su,
Su. Su. Salad. Salad po tayo. Salad. Yo, dito! Salad. Scissor.
let,
Salad. Scissor. Sandwich. Sandwich.
asan?
Say the sound of the letter. Say the sound of the
First,
first.
ulit,
Huh?
say,
Say the sound of the
first,
first letter.
then,
Then say the sound of the letter.
again,
While you taste it. Finally, say for each full word. Salad, sandwich, scissors, say the sound of the letter
above,
above the box.
then,
Then
circle,
circle
all,
all the letter
inside,
inside the box while with the
Same
same
sound
all
as
as you letter the letter in the
shaded
box.
sound.
Bib
Seal
bib seal
football.
football. Sandwich ball ladder Position. Say the sound of the letter in the box in
Shaded.
box.
Then circle.
Circle.
Tignan ang word. Circle. Tumingin sa word.
Circle all the world
that
that
start
start with the
same
same letter sound b b b b
ano yan? Sound nito?
b
Tumingin ka dito.
b b b b
Bib.
bib
Bib.
bib
Button.
button
Balloon.
balloon bib button balloon
Ace. Ayusin mo yung circle. Papaulit yung sa'yo. Square. Skate.
skate
Sun.
sun square sun
Square. Skate.
skate sand Ox say the word and the sound of the letter in the box as you taste the letter. Ano yan?
X-ray.
X-ray. X-ray. Ox. Six. X-ray. X-ray.
Ayusin mo yung X mo.
X, 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 X. X-ray. Ox.
Huwag ikaw makulit is.
Ox, 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 ox. Malapit na. 17. Say the word and the sound of the letter in the box as you taste the letter. Box. Yan.
Mix.
Mix. Mix. Candle.
Wax.
Wax. Wax.
Ulit.
Box. Box.
Mix.
Mix.
Ulit.
Mix.
Wax.
Wax. Wax.
Ulit.
Box. Make.
Mix.
Mix. Box. Make.
Mix.
Box.
Mix.
Mix. Mix.
Mix.
Mix. Mix.
Mix.
Mix.
Sabi ng mix, halo. Haluin mo.
Mix.
Mix.
Mix. Mix. Mix.
Mix.
Mix. Mix.
Wax.
Ako. Wax. Wax. Sa wax again, wax. Sa wax tayo. Sa wax tayo. Say the sound of the
First.
first letter.
Then.
Then say the sound of the letter
Again.
again.
While.
Why you say it finally say each whole word.
Huwag na malikot. Wax.
Wax. Wax. Mix.
Mix.
Mix. Mix. Box. Deep. Say the word and the sound of the letter in the box as you taste the letter.
Ayusin mo.
Bawa. Deep, deep.
Mm.
Jeep,
Zip.
jeep,
Zip.
jeep, do, zero,
Zero.
zero, 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 zero. Say the sound of the first letter.
Then,
Then sound
say
say the sound of the letter
again.
again.
Upo ka na maayos. Upo na maayos.
Again, while you taste it, finally say each whole word.
Ayusin mo yung zip mo.
That's good. Very sweet. Mali. Kasi deep, zero, deep, do, sayang, ano to?
Ang basahin mo na.
Say the word and the sound of the letter in the box as you taste the letter. The letter.
Basa na, basa.
Okay. Nainig na kamay ko. Nainig na kamay ko.
Hindi yan.
Kaya ko.
Opo. Pag ikaw kasi makulit.
Yun pala, makulit yung kamay ko.
Ikaw ang makulit. Hindi yung kamay mo.
Makulit kasi kamay ko, nainig na.
Ayusin mo ang sulat mo.
Digag. Digag. Ano yan?
Zipper.
Zipper. Zipper. Zebra. Zebra. sound of the
First,
first letter.
then,
Then say the sound of the letter.
again,
Again,
while,
two days is finally say each whole word.
tandaan lang.
Zebra, zigzag, zipper, ox,
Oh, wait lang.
say the sound. Say the sound of the letter
Above,
above the box.
then,
Then
circle,
circle all the letters
inside,
inside the box. With the
same,
sound of same as the letter in the box.
shaded,
In the shaded box. Of the door. Balloon. Zebra, box, scissors. Last two na. Last two. Yan.
basa mo na. Basa the instruction, baby.
Sound.
Say,
The sound of the letter in the shaded box.
then,
Then
circle,
circle.
all,
the sound
Words.
that
that, start,
start
or,
and
and,
our
with,
the
same,
letter sound.
mix,
Ox,
x-ray,
X-ray. Mix, ox, X-ray.
zigzag,
Zigzag,
zebra, zero,
zigzag,
zebra,
zigzag,
zero,
zigzag,
zebra,
zigzag,
zero,
zigzag, zero.